How do you block an Instagram message request from the people that you don't know? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can do it. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on the bottom right, which is your picture, and go to your profile, and then click on the top right, which is the three lines icon, the burger icon, click on that, and then you'll reach the settings and activity. So you can scroll down, you can see how others can interact with you. Then you can see here messages and story replies, click on that, and then you can see here message requests, just click on that, and then you can allow access to message, so anyone can message you or who can send you message requests, and everyone, your followers or no one, so only followers can send message to you, which is great. Let's put them my follower. You have to follow me. They only can send message to me. You can even hide unwanted message requests so that you cannot see it. But if you want to see it, you can just unhide this. So for this, I put it that only people that follow me can send me message. So this is how you can block Instagram message from people that you don't know. Alright, just put it there, your followers, then the only followers can send message to you. Okay, if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.